Zen's Mowers. I just wanted to point something out. I'm working on this Cub Cadet 1027 and I'm putting new front tires on. I've already got one wheel on just to speed the process up. Now, I went to Tractor Supply and bought these new tires for about 11 bucks and they came with new rims. And I tried to just go ahead and use the new rims, but I wore the bearing out in this one because the spacer wasn't on right. And I'm going to point this out too. You can take a comparison of the two. There's that black rubber spacer. And then this is the back bearing in one of these Tractor Supply rims. You can't swap the two. And when you put these Tractor Supply rims on these spindles, I'll go ahead and do this for example. It normally sits in a certain position, but it's all the way back this time. And there's too much spindle left out here, and it's going to wobble back and forth, and that's how I sheared the back bearing in this one. I just put these on just to get my estate mode here at my house, but I'm going to go ahead and finish up this job. Show you how I slide these rims on, and always use cotter pins and washers when these go on these Cub Cadet mowers. I've had one other Cub Cadet, so I know now that these are on with cotter pins. And you see how nice the spacing is. It rolls without interference. I just got to get the washer and cotter pin on, so I'll let you go. Like, comment, and subscribe, and have a nice day.